Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Apple ID verification failed. Quick fix step-by-step clearly. Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad and tap your Apple ID name at the top. If you see any red alert like Update Apple ID Settings, tap it and try to sign in again. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it off to refresh your connection. Connect to a different Wi-Fi network or switch to mobile data to rule out network issues. Go to Settings. Tap General. Then tap Date and Time. Enable Set automatically so your device time matches Apple's servers. Return to Settings and tap Wi-Fi. Then tap the info icon next to your network. Tap Forget this network. Reconnect. And enter the Wi-Fi password again. Go to Settings. Tap General. Then tap VPN and Device Management if it exists. Disable any VPN profile because VPNs can block Apple ID verification. Open Safari and visit Apple.com to check if Apple's website loads normally. If the site is slow or down, wait and try again later because Apple servers may be busy. Now go back to Settings. Tap your Apple ID. Then tap Password and Security. Tap Change Password and set a new strong password if you suspect account problems. Check that your phone number and trusted devices are correct under Password and Security. Go to Settings. Tap your Apple ID. Then tap Media and Purchases. Tap Sign Out. Wait a few seconds. Then sign in again with the correct Apple ID. If Sign Out is not available, restart your device and try again. Restarting helps clear temporary verification bugs that can cause this message. After reboot, open Settings and try signing in slowly, making sure each character is correct. If you use two-factor authentication, enter the verification code immediately when it appears. Go to Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update and install any available update. Older iOS versions can cause Apple ID sign-in and verification errors. If the issue continues, go to Settings, tap General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings to refresh all network components. After the reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi and try Apple ID verification again in Settings. If it still fails, try signing in on another Apple device to confirm the account works. If the account fails everywhere, reset your Apple ID password on iForgot.Apple.com and try again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.